how do you build a competition trigger and a carry trigger and have it safe for both?
Simple, but not really. All right.
Okay.
Let me cover the dynamics of a trigger job first, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I use a 25 power microscope to look at the relationship between the full cock notch of the hammer and the nose of the sear. That has to be done in one certain way with no deviation. And we cover that in all of our courses in full detail.
Well, that's really cool, Shuey, and the detail you go through is important, and how you've created a system to get a perfect trigger job every time is amazing. And what I really like is you show them right through the microscope of what to look for and how to do it. It's awesome. So what else do you need to do?
All right, one thing that we haven't talked about, but it is in relationship to the trigger job, and that is the safety, the thumb safety.
Absolutely.
All right? Now, we talked earlier about a carry gun. We didn't have one, an ambidextrous safety. Now, this is a crossover, so we're going to have a kind of a unique ambidextrous safety. Here is what I put on them. All right? Ambidextrous safety. One for the left side, one for the right side. Guess what? This one is very narrow because it's going to be used for carry. Okay? And over here, it's a little bit wider. All right? So now I have concealability. And if I want to make this even more concealable, I will use narrow grips. This is the medium thickness grips. There are several types. The thin one, the medium, and then the fatter ones. I like the medium because they work for the crossover the best. You have the best of both worlds. And I also like them checkered. It gives me a much better grip on the gun. It matches the other part of the gun.
So what you're saying is with that medium-sized grip, it really fills your hand, and with that aggressive checkering, it's just not going to slip.
Absolutely.
Do you want to learn complete design, function, and repair of all different types of firearms and become a certified professional gunsmith? If so, go to www.americangunsmithinginstitute.com and request a complete information package.